How to see someone's friends on Snapchat. Before we begin, it's important to know that Snapchat does not provide a feature that lets you view another person's complete friends list. However, there are a few ways to get limited friendship information. First, open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, select Add Friends. In the Quick Add section, Snapchat may recommend people based on mutual connections. While this doesn't reveal someone's full friends list, it can sometimes give you an idea of whether you share mutual friends with another user. Another option is Snapchat Plus. Go back, then open Settings. Scroll down and select Snapchat Plus. Then tap on Subscribe. If you and another user both have Snapchat Plus and have enabled certain features, you may see friendship-related insights, such as the Best Friends badge or Friend Solar System indicators. These features provide limited information about your connection with that person, but they do not reveal their complete friends list. So if you're wondering whether you can see someone's full friends list on Snapchat, the answer is no. Snapchat keeps friends lists private, and there is currently no official way to view another user's complete friends list. And that's everything you need to know about Snapchat friend list privacy. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Snapchat tips, tricks, and tutorials like this.